Hi guys, it's Tabitha. I wanted to show you this little sneak peek of an open house we're hosting this Saturday from 1 to 3 right behind me. It's in the community of Arizona Traditions, and I put a video out earlier on this little retirement community. It's gated on a golf course, tons of activities. This particular house behind me, this one is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with almost 2,300 square foot. So let's go on in and have a look. You'll notice as we walk up the nice pavered concrete. Stampcrete, I guess they call it. Nice double doors that open up during good weather to really open up the entire house. Beautiful tile as you come in. Over to your right, you'll find the office, library, den area. And then down the hall, another bedroom, bathroom. I'm gonna start over here with our kitchen though. Beautiful breakfast bar. You can easily fit probably 4 or 5 bar stools here. Double oven cabinets. And this is unusual, we don't usually see this, but that's actually cork board all over behind it. Kind of a unique touch. This is Corian countertops. And then over here is your garage entry, laundry room area, an eat-in kitchen, and the living room. Once again, this one has a fireplace, which is not very common here, but you get that nice view out to the back, nobody behind you, just a beautiful desert wash, big backyard. Over here is your more formal dining area. And then the double sliders open up. We'll go out back here at the end to really have a look at that backyard, but this whole house really opens up beautifully for the wonderful weather we have 8 months out of the year here in Phoenix. And right off of this area is the master suite. So a nice seating area, very large, lots of windows. And then over here, master bathroom with a separate tub shower, little linen closet back there, a nice big walk-in closet here, shoe racks, very nice custom built-ins, a double vanity, and back out here to the master. Let's go have a look out back. And here we are on the north side of the backyard, so plenty of shade all year round. Again, nobody behind you, nice big grassy yard, built-in barbecue, very quiet community. If you or anyone you know would like more information on this house, once again, we're having an open house this Saturday from 1 to 3. Feel free to give me a call or a text at 480-424-4770. You can also text me there, and then check out our website at surpriseazhomes.com. Also YouTube channel, Tabitha Nasalki. Thanks so much for sticking around, and we'll see you soon.